Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of CiCi app. If we click on settings, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about CiCi app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So if it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.